Good afternoon everyone. In this particular video, we will be discussing regarding the conversion of the number systems. That is, how to convert the one kind of number system into another kind of number system. In our previous two classes, we have seen the different kinds of number systems. I will just recall that once again. So the first thing is called as the decimal number systems. This will be having the digits starting from 0 to 9. The second one is binary. It will be having only two symbols, that is called as 0 and 1. The third thing is octal. So it will be having all the digits starting from 0 to 7. And then hexadecimal. It will be having starting from all the digits starting from 0 to 15. Okay. Now, in this particular class, let us go for the next topic, that is called as the number conversion, or else conversion of one number system to another number system. Now, in this particular class, we will be seeing how to convert one number system into another number system. Firstly, let us see how to convert the decimal number system into binary number system. So, all the things I will tell you one by one. First thing you have to remember is, you can convert decimal to binary directly. You can convert decimal to octal directly, and then you can convert decimal to hexadecimal directly. Okay, these things you have to remember, because in our examinations they will be asking convert an octal number into binary number, like that you will be having the questions. So you have to remember the basics. First thing is, you can convert the decimal number to binary number, or else octal, or else the hexadecimal. Again, in the same way, you can convert the same thing back. You can convert the hexadecimal to decimal directly, octal to decimal directly, and binary to decimal directly. Okay. So this is the basic thing you have to remember. Next, in the further classes, let us see how exactly to convert these three things. That is, the binary to octal, how to convert octal to hexadecimal. Let us discuss that in the further classes. Now, whenever you are in this particular class, we will be seeing how to convert the decimal number into binary number, and how to convert the binary number into decimal number if possible. Okay. Now, for conversion of this particular decimal number into binary number, you have to follow certain steps. The first thing is, you are converting the decimal number into binary number. As I told you, the decimal number will be having all the numbers starting from 0 to 9. So, the base will be equal to 10. Whereas in the binary number, you will be having only two numbers, 0 and 1. The base will be equal to 2. The first step, what you have to do is, if you have any number, you want to convert that particular number from decimal to binary, you have to divide that particular number by 2. Firstly, you have to divide the number by 2, and whenever you are dividing any number, you will be getting two different things. One is called as the quotient, and another thing is called as the remainder. Suppose, let us consider, I am dividing 25 by 10. Okay. So what happens? 10 twos are 20. 5 will be the remainder. This will be called as the quotient, and this will be called as the remainder. So whenever you are dividing any number, okay, you will be getting two things. One is called as the quotient, and another thing is called as the remainder. You have to place the quotient on the left side, and you have to place the remainder on the right side. Okay, you should keep on doing the same procedure until the quotient becomes 1 or 0. You have to do the same thing until the quotient becomes 1 or else 0. Let me explain you this practically. So, the first thing is, you have to divide the given number by 2. You will be getting two things. That is, one is called as the quotient, and another thing is called as the remainder. Remainder should be placed on the right hand side, and the quotient should be placed on the left hand side, and the quotient should be repeatedly divided again and again until the quotient value becomes 0 or else 1. I will tell you how exactly. Okay. Now I am taking one number and I will convert that particular number into the binary number. Let us consider the question will be like this: convert 25 to the base 10, because base 10 in the sense it is a decimal number, to binary. In your examinations you will be having the questions like this: convert a particular number to the base 10. Base 10 in the sense decimal, base 8 in the sense octal, base 2 in the sense binary, base 16 in the sense hexadecimal. Now you have to convert this particular number into the binary number. So what I have told you, you have to take the number, you have to divide like this, always you have to divide like this. So I will take the number 25. Since you are converting it to binary, you have to divide it by 2. If you are converting the decimal to octal, you have to divide it by 8. If you are converting the decimal number to hexadecimal, you have to divide it by 16. Now I am converting the decimal number to binary. So what I have to do? I have to divide it by 2. Now 25 I am dividing it by 2. So what happens? I will just show you how exactly you have to do. You should not divide till it becomes 0. You should not make use of the decimal points. So 25 I am dividing it by 2. So what happens? 12 2s are 2 12s are 24. 1 will be the remainder. Okay. So I am dividing it by 12 times. The value becomes 24 and the remainder is 1. Again, now what happens? The quotient value is now equal to 12. Again what you have to do? You have to divide it again. So 2, you are dividing the 12 again with 2. So what happens? If I divide 12 by 2, 2 6 are 12, the remainder will be equal to 0. So what I have to do? The quotient value is 6, the remainder value will be equal to 0. Next again, you have to divide this particular value again. So 2 3s are 6, remainder will be equal to 0. Again 2. Okay, so you are getting this particular value, that is 2 1s are 2, remainder will be equal to 1. So I am just showing you 3, if you divide it by 2, 2 1s are 2, the remainder will be equal to 1. Okay, so what happens? So this will be the value. You cannot divide 1 by 2 because the value 1 is smaller than 2, so you cannot divide it. So this will be the end of this particular problem. Next what you have to do, you have to write in this particular way, that is in the form of the right angle. So first digit will be this one, then this, then this value. So 25 to the base 10 is equal to 1 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. So this is how exactly you are converting the decimal value to the binary value. Hope you have understood this. Again I will give you another one example. Let us try to convert that particular value also. I will take another value, that is convert 50 to the decimal value. So what I will do? I have to take 2 and I will divide 50 by 2. So what happens is, if you divide 50 by 2, okay, so what happens? The quotient will be equal to 25, 50, the remainder will be equal to 0. So 25 will be the quotient and the remainder will be equal to 0. Next again, you got 25. Next what you have to do? You have to divide it again by 2. So 2 is the thing. So 25 in the sense, 25, if you are dividing it by 2, what happens? 2 12s are 24, the remainder will be equal to 1. So 2 12s are 24, the remainder is equal to 1. Next again, you got 12. So what you have to do? You have to divide it again by 2. 2 6 are 12, remainder is equal to 0. You got 6, again you have to divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, the remainder is equal to 0. Next again, you got 3, 2 1s are 2, remainder is equal to 1. Okay, again you got 1 you cannot divide it because this particular one is smaller than 2. So we have ended up this particular problem. So you have to write again like this. So the 50 to the base 10 is equal to 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 to the base 2. Like this, you can convert any larger number or else a smaller number from the decimal value into the binary value. Hope you people have understood this particular thing. So, for assignment, what you will do is, you convert these particular numbers to decimal and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay. So, take these values. 57, you have to convert it, and 98 125. So this will be your assignment. You have to convert 57, 98 and then 125 into the binary numbers, and you have to send it to my personal number. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding this particular topic, you can just contact my number. Thank you everyone.